Sick of seeing some existing designs? If you want to know more design which is there in website, or you want to know about the websites which have some interesting content and design oriented contents, here's the video for you. Hi, I'm Raghu, UI UX designer, and I love to share some existing designs of websites which looks very interesting for me. Hope it works for you also. It's completely design inspirations here. Let's go to the video straight away. The number one website is Lemonade. You can see the website is completely made of grey and black and also white. They have follows the same color theme in their channel. It looks very pretty for me, the sense of colors they have used and the kind of animations they used. Here they are talking about the trees, and the animations what they have made is also which looks similar to the trees. It's very simple and the design is completely interesting for me. See the way it looks, the way the trees has been revolving over here and there, and these are the inspirations from Kaleidoscope. Themes looks very pretty, and the website goes on and goes on. Now they talk about the animals. The theme is changing to the color like magenta, and they are sticking to the color values, and also they are using some hierarchy which looks very interesting here. So Lemonade is one of the sites which all the designers need to look for. Kaleidoscope is the biggest inspiration for this website. They have made the design, typography, colors which looks very much pleasing in the form of design. Now let's go to the number two website, that is Zoox. Zoox is nothing but a kind of Uber, but it operates without a driver. It's automatic. So let's see about what's more interesting in this site. If you see the vehicle, it looks interesting for me the way they have built it, and they always maintained a circular path, and also they have some rectangular elements in that which looks very interesting for me. And if you see the typography used in this website, which almost follows the same kind of the design what they have used for the vehicle. It looks like we are traveling into the website. See the way we are just coming from back to the front, and looks like someone is viewing from the top of this design. It looks very interesting for me. Number three, we're gonna see about Standland. Standland is one of the interesting website for me. They have used gradient as a main tool of the background. They have used subtle colors and which they have mixed and matched and looks pleasing for me. It's very clean and the design looks very interesting for me. The marketing of the website is that the customers who are coming into here, they need to understand what is the website is about, and they should be very clear. So they have used the very normal fonts, and the idea of the website is very interesting. They have two products here. If you see the background and the tile they have used, it looks very interesting. The fall asleep, the background, can you see, which looks like an arch? For me, that fall asleep, it looks like someone is lying down and they are slowly breathing up and breathing in, breathing up and breathing in. For all the websites, typography is very important. So here, from the typography, they are conveying the complete message of the website. The fourth website we're gonna see about Sometimes Always. So it is a wine website. They have made the layout like very much old kind of design. The newspaper, it looks like the border, and can you see the colors they have used? Because since this website is more oriented towards the wine, they have taken a very old theme into that, and can you see the colors they have been used? The magenta color and the yellow subtle color, and the color combination between the phone and the wine bottle what they have, and the blue and the yellow which has been mixed, and it looks very interesting for me. This page is really amazing, and if you're a designer who want to get inspiration from any of the colors like an old style or a retro style, just go into this website. It gives perfectly what all you need. The color combination is perfect, and just kudos to the designers who have done it. The next website we're gonna see about Dead Startup Toys. The site is a little crazy, but the elements what they have used, and it's very quick in the way they have made it. It looks like a rococo which has been setting up here. I can see the angel which has been flying here and there, and these are all the startups which has been failed, and they have taken the inspiration from the design and they made a toys from out of that. It's for the kids, or it's for just memories of those products which has been already done and it's not in market. These are the few websites I thought very interesting for this month, and every month I'm going to share about 5 interesting websites for me. If you thought you have some interesting websites from your side, just drop down as a comment, let us view and let us review that here. Thanks for watching the video. If you think this video is really helpful, share it with your friends, and like, share and comment. Subscribe to the channel to get more interesting details about the UI and UX design. Thank you. Bye.